speech, language, and laundry. First, let's focus on wet, dry, striped, and soft.
It's time to do some laundry. We have to fold the laundry. Let's see what we have. Oh, look! I have a striped sweater. Look at the white stripes on my blue sweater. Oh, you know what? Mocha, this sweater is still very wet. Touch it. Oh, but look! This sock is dry. Yeah. You feel how dry it is? And this one is wet. Let's see what else we have in there. Oh, look at the blue towel. It's so soft. And it's dry too. See? Take a look.
Now let's focus on same, different, matching, fold, and stack.
Okay, now we have to find matching socks. Are they the same or are they different? They are the same. They match. All right, I'm going to fold them together because they're a match.
Here we go.
Look, Mocha, I have 2 more socks. I have a purple sock and a beige and blue sock. Do they match? Are they the same or are they different? You know what? I look at them and they're different. That doesn't work. Let's see if I can find another sock that is the same. Can you find it? Yeah, you found it. That sock is the purple sock. It's the same. Good job. So, Mocha, now that we folded all of our socks, let's stack them. So we can take them to the bedroom and put them away. It's going to be easier. See how I stacked all of the socks? Now you can take them to your room.
Have fun following directions.
Okay, Mocha, let's play a game. Give me the blue towel, please. Find it. Okay, let's try one more. Give me the striped sweater and a pair of pants. Here, you find them. Remember, give me the striped sweater and a pair of pants so we can fold them.
Now let's focus on full, empty, in, and out.
All right, Mocha, time to do a bit more laundry. Here I have my washer and my dryer. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Oh, my washer is full of towels. Let's see what's in the dryer. The dryer is empty. The washer is full of towels and the dryer is empty. So I guess I can take all of the towels that are in the washer and put them in the dryer.
You can also focus on first, next, and last.
So first, Mocha, we are going to take all of the towels out of the washer. Next, we're gonna put them in the dryer. And last, we're gonna start the dryer so the towels can dry and later we can fold them. Let's do it. Let's take all of the towels out of the washer and then we can put them in the dryer.
Repetition will help your child learn new concepts.
It's actually funny. The washer was full earlier, but now it's empty. I took all of the towels out. And the dryer was empty earlier, but now it is full of towels. I put all of the towels in the dryer. All right, last thing we need to do is to start the dryer. I'm going to push this button to turn it on.
Thank you for watching.